Yes.
He's flapping.
So here you see Larry and Elijah. Elijah's the human. Larry is the cute little birdie.
Hey, Larry.
Larry is my beautiful bird.
Ow, don't bug me. Here, we're going to do bed jumping with Larry. Doing 9.
He's like slowly falling off your shirt.
Ow, he's digging into my shoulder. Ow, he's slapping me. He's slapping me. Get it off.
I got you.
Get it off.
I got you, Larry. Beautiful Larry. Larry the canary. He's not a canary. Go on, Larry. Up.
Hey, okay. He's on my finger.
Larry the canary. He's not even a canary.
Ready for a real bounce, Larry? Wait. It's okay. It's okay, Larry.
See, he can fly. Oh, he likes the book.
Oh, I'm going to do that again.
Okay, bye, peeps.